Important disclaimer: this is for entertainment and education only. Continuation patterns suggest the trend will resume, but they can and do fail. Trading involves risk. Always manage your risk carefully. The most common and useful family of continuation patterns are the triangles. A triangle shows the market is in an indecisive battle between buyers and sellers, which shrinks price action. Triangle Type 1, Symmetrical Triangle. This is the neutral pattern. It is formed by two converging trend lines, a downward sloping resistance and an upward sloping support. The symmetrical triangle shows equal pressure from both buyers and sellers, leading to a tight consolidation zone. The breakout can happen in either direction. Trading the symmetrical triangle, you wait for a decisive breakout and close above the upper trend line for long, or below the lower trend line for short. The measured move is the height of the triangle at its base, projected from the breakout point. Triangle Type 2, Ascending Triangle. This is a predominantly bullish continuation pattern. It has a flat top acting as resistance and an upward sloping trend line acting as support. The pattern signals that buyers are getting stronger. They keep pushing the low higher, chipping away at the constant ceiling of resistance. Trading the ascending triangle, you only trade the breakout above the flat resistance line. This confirms the strong buying pressure has finally succeeded and the original uptrend will continue. Triangle Type 3, Descending Triangle. This is a predominantly bearish continuation pattern. It has a flat bottom acting as support and a downward sloping trend line acting as resistance. This pattern shows sellers are getting stronger. They keep pushing the highs lower, eventually overwhelming the flat floor of support. Trading the descending triangle, you only trade the breakout below the flat support line. This confirms the strong selling pressure has finally succeeded and the original downtrend will continue. Triangles are powerful because they provide both a clear entry point and an exact price target. Practice spotting the slopes of these trend lines to determine the market's bias. Which pattern are you going to look for in your charts today? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Weather Finance for the next video on flags and pennants.